Hey guys, Tadalitzer had to add a portfolio on our LinkedIn profile. So if you guys would like to go ahead and add, of course, your own portfolio over on your LinkedIn profile. In this video tutorial, I'm gonna go ahead and teach you guys how to do this. So please watch this video until the end to find out just how. Alright you guys, so what we need to do first is to launch the LinkedIn application. And I want you to go ahead and tap on your profile. So let's view our profile. And once we're here, let's go on over to the add section option. And then we can now go ahead and basically choose the option under the featured option. So we have the is about core skills and additional. And we can go ahead and add some publications, patents and other stuff related to that. So over here under recommended, we have this option called add featured. So let's tap on add featured, and then we can now tap on this plus icon to choose a specific file or a link to a file. We can also go ahead and create a post, an article, upload from your photos, or take a photo to add whatever you were proud of over on your featured. In this case, we want to go ahead and provide this with our PDF of our portfolio, a resume, or a CV. So go ahead and add a link to do that. File of a PDF of your portfolio, your resume, or your CV to this, and easily, you could now go ahead and upload that too. Here, people will see it and also recommend you and command you for that to help you build your profile on LinkedIn and also give you more business success. So that's all for this video guys. Thank you for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something. And I'll see you guys on the next video.